Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Alex Bell, and I've been streaming on Twitch and Kick for years. Like many small streamers, my goal was simple: become a Twitch and Kick partner, and that journey taught me a lot about growth tools. Today's video is for small streamers who are struggling with low live viewers. I'll be sharing an honest comparison of the best sites to buy Twitch viewers, what actually works, and what you should avoid. One, FollowersPanda. Let's start with my top recommendation. FollowersPanda. This is hands down the most reliable option for small streamers. The viewers arrive gradually, retention is solid, and most importantly, it doesn't look fake. Their services are designed to support real growth, not just inflate numbers. For anyone serious about reaching Twitch or Kick partner requirements, FollowersPanda is the safest and smartest choice. 2, streamproject.de. Next up is streamproject.de. It's decent for short boosts, but compared to FollowersPanda, viewer stability is weaker and customization is limited. It can help, but I wouldn't rely on it long term. 3, FameWick. Finally, FameWick. While it's affordable, the viewer quality is inconsistent and not ideal for serious streamers. It's more of a temporary option than a real growth strategy. So if you're a small streamer trying to grow smart and avoid bans, FollowersPanda is clearly the best choice. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other Twitch tutorial videos. I'll see you in the next one.